Hey there. How's it going, guys? It's all good here and welcome back to my channel. Start by creating a sketch on the XZ plane. Zoom out and select the line tool. To enable the construction line, select this option and draw a vertical line passing through the origin of any dimension. Hit Escape. Disable the construction line type. This will act as the center line for our sketch. Press L on your keyboard to bring up the line tool again. Starting from origin, draw a line of 15 mm. We will only create half of the sketch and use the Revolve tool later. From Constraints tab, select the Fix Unfix tool to ground these two lines so they won't move. Please note that we will use shortcut keys to bring up the tools that are frequently used. L for line, D for giving dimensions, T for trim, C for circle. Now draw a vertical line of 3 mm from here. Join this to the center line. From the center line, draw another line of 13 mm. Now draw an inclined line of any length, but it must be 45 degrees. Hit Tab key to toggle between length and angle of the line. Go to Create and find the Sketch Dimensions tool or hit D on your keyboard. Select these two lines to and input 2 mm to give a distance of 2 mm between these lines. Zoom in and select the Trim tool from here. Click the unwanted part to delete it. Zoom out and draw another line of 10 mm. Draw this line a little higher up. In Create tab, go to Arc and select Tangent Arc tool. Select the first point and select this second point when you see the blue square box. Give this arc a radius of 4 mm as dimension. Now draw another line of 8 mm. Again from the Create tab, select the Tangent Arc tool and draw an arc whose radius is 2 mm. Remember to snap the second point over the blue square box. For the middle section, zoom out enough to draw a line higher up. Give it a dimension of 8.5 mm or 17 by 2 mm. Now, choose the Circle tool or press C on your keyboard. From here, select the 2-point circle. Select the 2 points to create a circle through them. Select the circle to give it a dimension of 100 mm diameter. That's a huge circle and we don't want all of it. Choose the Trim option. Zoom in so that you can delete the unwanted parts of the arc. We just want the portion joining the 2 points. Zoom out. Enable Sketch Dimension and select these two lines to give a dimension of 34 mm between them. Now, draw another line of 11 mm. Select the 2-point circle option and join these 2 points to draw a circle through them. Now give this circle a dimension of 8 mm diameter. Also, select the 2 lines to set a distance of 3 mm between them. Enable the Trim tool and meticulously remove the unnecessary arcs, leaving only the required arc behind. You guessed it, we're drawing another line. This time measuring 13 mm in length. Draw an inclined line starting from this point of any length greater than 3 mm, but must be 45 degrees. Now, give the distance between the lines as 2 mm. Zoom in to get an enlarged view. Select the Trim tool to delete the extra part of the line. Draw a vertical line of 12 mm. Connect this horizontally to the center line. From there, connect a line entirely to the bottom, that is, at the origin. I will disable the dimensions and constraints to show you how the sketch looks. Perfect. We will now finish this sketch. Now, we will use the Revolve tool. Click and drag your mouse to the left and carefully select all the parts without touching the center line. This is our profile. Now, for the axis, select the center line. This will create the solid body by revolving the selected profile around the center line. Press C on your keyboard to enable the circle tool. Click on top of the piece to select it as the plane to sketch on it. Starting from the origin, draw a circle of diameter 24 mm. Press R on your keyboard to enable the rectangle tool. Select the centered rectangle. From the origin, pan out a rectangle of any length, but having a width of 7 mm. Right-click to repeat the process. Pan out the rectangle vertically having width 7 mm. Click C on your keyboard to draw one more circle of diameter 17 mm from the origin. Finish the sketch. Click E on your keyboard to enable the extrude tool. Select all these parts. These portions will be cut down to get the desired shape of the upper part of the piece. After selecting all the parts, drag down the arrow to -7 mm, or you can also type in the value. Make sure the operation is set to cut. Now, go to Sketches, and unhide sketch number 2. Enable the Extrude tool again. Select the outer edge of the circle over the rectangular parts. We will cut these down by 5 mm. Hide the sketch as we no longer need it. From the Modify tab, select Appearance to give this regal piece a makeover in Fusion 360. Let's add some flair, maybe a touch of gold for that royal vibe. After all, why let the king have all the attention? Let's give the rook its moment to shine. Remember, in the world of design, even chess pieces deserve to look their best. I just wanted to take a moment to extend a heartfelt checkmate to all of you fantastic subscribers. Your support has been nothing short of grandmaster level brilliance, and I can't thank you enough for joining me on this chess-tastic journey. But hey, the game's not over yet. If you haven't already, make your move and hit that subscribe button to stay updated. Until then, keep your pawns protected, your knights nimble, and your subscriptions locked in.